Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to resolve or how to fix all problems related to your Wi-Fi connection. In this case, all problems with drivers. And open the start menu and right click and select Device Manager, this option, one click in Device Manager. In this window, select network adapters and locate your wireless LAN or WLAN or Wi-Fi adapter in general, and right click and select update driver. In the new window, select search automatically for drivers, the first option, and wait a moment. You receive this message: the best driver for your device already installed. If you receive a problem window, click next, install and close. And this window's close. Select another device or another adapter and select update driver, select first option, search automatically for drivers, and next, install, close, and repeat this process for all wireless support, and close this window. And to apply the change, restart your PC, go to the start menu and select restart. And thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.